the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. As you guys can see, I have my hair done for like the first time. Just playing, but I hope you guys like this video. This is my hair tutorial, and if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I might look kind of like not cute, but you know, my hair is not done because this is a hair tutorial. This is the way I do it. Please do not judge, and if you like it, just comment down below, and if you try it out, tell me how it goes. And well, I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. By the way, if you're new, hi, my name is Fernanda, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so for this video, you guys are gonna need the brush, which is mine's this one right here. It's just a little wet brush, and then I have this one right here because this one actually is gonna like bring my hairs in more, and this one like kind of separates them, like because if they're tangled. And then I use this Cancun butter. It's like conditioner, and it just helps me do my bun. And so what we're gonna do is grab her hair all the way back and just try to like put your hair all the way to the front in a ponytail. So that's what I'm about to do. It doesn't have to be like perfect, like when you grab it up, it doesn't have to like look like super nice or whatever, but you do want to grab all your hairs up to the top of your head. Okay, so my hair looks like this now. So what you want to do is just grab all your hair, grab it up to a ponytail, the highest ponytail you could do, and then just leave out your hair out. This is my first hair tutorial. I really don't do my hair, so yeah. Okay, so we just do that, and if I didn't want to tangle it, I would use this, but like my hair was pretty good today. It was acting good, so we used good. So yeah, so this is how my hair is. It's pretty soft and ready to go. So our next step is to get a herring curl, wand, whatever you use. I use this one right here. This is called Power IQ, and it's like thin. My hair thin, so this is why I use this one. This is a little bit skinnier. I do have other ones, but I like how this one works, so I'm just gonna be turning it on so it could get hot. Ponytail right here. So I just grabbed a piece of my hair right here, and then I brush it. Okay, once it's brushed, you want to grab the curling iron thing, and you want to open the thing and wrap your hair and just put it in, and you just leave it in there for like a minute, maybe a little bit less. Hey, it got stuck somehow. But yeah, you just want to leave it in there for a little bit. Make sure like it curls, your hair curls really nice. So, and you just take it out, and that's my first curl right there. So I'm gonna be doing that. So now you're just gonna run like another one. Don't grab it too much, and then you brush it, and then you want to just curl. I only do this because I don't like to curl my whole hair. I just like to curl like the tips. So this is how I curl it. I always love how it comes out. So I'm just gonna be fast forwarding this part. I'm gonna just fast forward my whole hair. Like I'm gonna do it on camera, but I'm gonna fast forward it because this is all I do, and I'm just gonna do it to my whole entire hair, which is gonna take forever, like maybe an hour. I could be chasing, but my time will be wasting, 'cause I'm nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. This is like a major throwback. Today is Valentine's Day, and I'm curling my hair because it's Valentine's Day, and I'm gonna see my boyfriend. I'm kind of excited. Kind of excited to see him. We really don't see each other as much, so that's why I'm always excited to see him. I think last time I seen him was Sunday, and today is Wednesday. So yeah. Oh my god, I love this song. I'm just gonna put it up a little bit.
The hard part always seems to last forever. Sometimes I forget that we are together. Deep down in my heart, I hope you're doing alright. Got your single missing me.
Bad emotion, but look at it. The man's inside is ruthless. They want to. Oh, shit. Rockets up, rockets up, rockets up. Sugar, how you get so fly? Sugar, how you get so fly?
So high like I'm a star. So high like I'm a star. So high like I'm a star. Caricias y besitos, a ese tema bien le entiende. En la calle se ve hermosa en mi cama, ella no tiene rival. En donde más se defiende. Y por eso me gusta, porque tiene todo en su lugar. Segurito, segurito. La verdad que es muy aliviana. Su silueta llena bien el vestidito, siempre busca complacerme. Y si hablamos de caricias y besitos, a ese tema bien le entiende. Si en la calle se ve hermosa en mi cama. I'm feeling lonely, with the piece in the middle like Malone. I'm a chick, and a hummer chick, beat the world like a bird.
There's 2 left, and it's 21 minutes recording, but I've been dancing for that couple of minutes. I go in a million miles and why, 'cause I This is like the good channel. The Mexican songs are like so loud that the radio is like on point. Yes, I know. Okay guys, so this is my hair, how it looks, all curled up. It took 25 minutes, but I was kind of off track and listening to music and kind of like you know, dancing. Yeah. So this is my hair. It's cute, huh? For hair like that, what I'm gonna be doing is getting some hairspray, and I'm gonna spray some hairspray, and I'll be back. Hold on. Okay, so this is my hairspray. Right here. It smells so good. So your hair looks like this. This is how it looks. My hair right here. This is the outcome of it. This is how I curl my hair. I hope you guys like it. It was pretty simple and easy to do. And I'm gonna show you the back. So this is the back of my hair. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I love my hair. It looks bomb as fuck. I'm just gonna put my earrings on, do my makeup, put another shirt on, and we is good to go, right? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up.